Good morning students. In this video we are going to see unit 17 reproduction in plants and animal. Before that, last video what we saw menstrual cycle and fetal development. In this video reproductive health, population explosion and family planning. Next, contraception, urinary tract infection, body hygiene, menstrual and napkin hygiene. Let's see one by one in detail. First one, reproductive health. According to World Health Organization, reproductive health means a total well-being in all aspects of reproduction, ability to reproduce and regulate fertility, women's ability to undergo pregnancy and safe childbirth, maternal mother-infant baby, survival and well-being. Several measures were undertaken by the government to improve the reproductive health of the people by launching national health programs such as Family Welfare Program, Reproductive and Child Health Care RCH program. First one, Family Welfare Program. In the program include some scheme. First one, Maternal and Child Health Care MCH. Second one, immunization of mothers, infant and children. Third one, nutritional supplement to pregnant women and children. Contraception with health education. Contraception to motivate couples to accept contraceptive method, to have small family norms which improve economic status, living status and equality of life. We have the program motivate the couples. Second program, reproductive and child health RCH program. In this, pregnancy and childbirth, postnatal care of mother and child, postnatal after delivery, mother and child, importance of breastfeeding. Next, prevention of reproductive tract infection and sexually transmitted disease. These programs give awareness to the family members. Population explosion and family planning. Population explosion defined as the sudden and rapid rise in the size of population, especially human population, releasing the dangers inherent in population growth. The government of India has taken several measures to check population growth and introduced family planning. India has been one of the first country in the world to launch the nation-wide family planning program in 1952. Family planning is a way of living that adapted voluntary by couples on the basis of knowledge and responsible decision to promote the health and welfare of the family, group and society. World Health Organization has also stressed the importance of family planning as global strategy. Health for all. The red triangle symbol of family planning in India for the family welfare. Red triangle is the symbol. It displayed prominently at all the hospitals, primary health clinics and family welfare centers, where any help or advice about the family planning is available free of cost. The symbol is displayed along with the slogan, small family, happy family. Next, contraception. Contraception family planning is one of the best birth control measures. A number of techniques or method has been developed to prevent the pregnancy in women. The device or contraception is called contraceptive Devices. The device contraceptive devices. First one, barrier method. The barrier method prevent the sperm meeting the ovum. Its entry into the female reproductive tract is prevented by the barrier. First one, condom. Condom prevent the deposition of the sperm in the vagina. Condoms are made in the thin rubber or latex sheath. Condom also protect against the sexually transmitted disease STD like syphilis, AIDS. Diaphragm, cervical cap, vaginal diaphragm fitting into the vagina and cervical cap fitting over the cervix. This prevent the entry of the sperm into the uterus. Next, hormonal method. The hormonal tablets, pills, contraceptive pills. These hormones stop the interfere with the ovulation, the release of the egg from the ovary. Contraceptive. Next method, intrauterine device, IUDs. This intrauterine device, IUD, or contraceptive device inserted into the uterus. The two synthetic devices commonly used in India, loopy loop and copper T. This can remain for a 3 years, period of 3 years. This reduces the sperm fertilizing capacity, prevent the implantation. This is also help to give adequate time interval between the pregnancies. Next is surgical method. Surgical contraception or sterilization technique in male, vasectomy, ligation of vas deferens. In female, tubectomy, ligation of fallopian tube. This method of permanent birth control. Next, urinary tract infection, UTI. Many diseases affect the birth of both women and men, but a few diseases occur in higher frequency in human. Women are susceptible to UTI from the bacteria that prevent present of skin, rectum or vagina. This will enter the urethra before moving upward. This type of UTI or cystitis or bladder infection. First one, cystitis or bladder infection. Bacteria loaded in the urinary bladder thrive or multiply, leading inflammation. It is most common in the age group of 20 to 50. Kidney infection. Next, kidney. The bacteria can travel from the urinary bladder and upward to the ureter and affect one or both the kidney. It also infects the bloodstream and leads to serious life-threatening complications. Next, asymbiotic bacteria. Bacteriuria. The bacteria present in the urinary bladder which may not show any symptoms. So it is called asymbiotic bacteriuria. Personal hygiene. Personal hygiene is the practice of healthy living and personal cleanliness. Personal hygiene is the caring of one's own body and health. Next, social hygiene is a proper care of surrounding environment. The main maintained aspect of hygienes are body hygiene, food hygiene, sanitary hygiene and hygienic environment. First one, body hygiene. Washing is a vital role in the group of all age group of people which maintain our personal hygiene. A daily bath regularly keeps skin clean and free of germ. Hands should be kept clean by frequent washing. Mouthwash should be done after every meal. We should wash our hands many times a day during the day. Cloth should clean. Cloth towel used to dry our hands or body should be dried after each use. The laundered regularly. Clothes, handkerchief, undergarments and socks should be washed daily. Washing prevents our body odor, infections and skin irritation. Next, toilet hygiene. Toilet has a lot of to do with the personal hygiene and general health, and it is a place that cannot be avoided and used regularly. The following measures should be followed. Toilet floor should be maintained clean and dry. This helps to reduce the bad water and also infection. Toilet flush handle, doorknob, paper towel, dispensers, light switches and walls should be cleaned with a disinfectant to kill harmful germs and bacteria. Hands should be washed thoroughly with soap before and after use of toilet. Next, menstrual and napkin hygiene. Women health depend upon the level of cleanliness. The menstrual hygiene, maintain the menstrual hygiene is important for the overall health of women. Sanitary pads should be cleaned regularly to avoid infection due to microbes from the vagina and sweat from the genital. Use warm water to clean genital. Help to get rid of menstrual cramp. Wearing loose clothing rather than the tight fitting clothes will ensure the flow of around the genital and prevent the sweating. Napkin hygiene. Napkin should be used properly. Then a sanitary pad and tampons should be wrapped properly and discarded because they can spread infection. Sanitary pad or tampons should not be flushed down the toilet. Napkin incinerator ought to be used properly for disposal of used napkins. Tamil Nadu government UNICEF has developed the affordable incinerator that uses firewood to handle sanitary napkin waste at school and special wells and equipped where sanitary napkins are composed. Every year, May 28th is observed as Menstrual Hygiene Day. Thank you. Thank you once again.